Hi everyone and welcome to Night Hunters. My name is Cassie and I'm going to be talking about these amazing creatures in the enclosure next to me, known as the vampire bats. Vampire bats are found in Mexico and Central and South America, and they tend to live in caves and hollowed out trees. Here at the Cincinnati Zoo, our colony is made up of 175 to about 200 individuals. Some important facts about vampire bats and bats in general are that they are the only mammal capable of true flight. They also have a thin membrane that stretches from their fingertips all the way to their ankles to create their wings, and the movement of flapping their wings is the same movement we do as we wave our hands. Another cool thing that bats do is echolocation. Echolocation is where they produce a high-pitched noise that we can't hear, and it is used to bounce off of buildings, trees, and prey during the night since they can't see the well. And this noise will come back to them and tell them information of how far away those objects are. Once the vampire bat does find its prey, it will use its nose, since its nose is colder than the rest of its body, to find where the blood is closest to the prey's skin. Vampire bats also have specialized teeth that are able to make a small incision on the prey and not able to really hurt the prey in any way. They also have a specialized saliva which helps the blood to not clot, and they're able just to lap it up. Vampire bats also only drink an ounce at a time. Here at the Cincinnati Zoo, we actually get blood from a butcher, which is in the bowls that are on the bottom. And we also have a large colony, which is very common in vampire bats and bats in general. And these colonies are used to keep warm. And they also, in vampire bats, the stronger ones will go out and get blood for the old and the ill, and as well as the young little nestling bats, so they can come back and regurgitate the blood so the young and the old and the sick can actually drink and they won't starve overnight, which is called reciprocal altruism. Now, these vampire bats, besides drinking blood, are very similar to the local bats that we have around here. For local bats that we have around here are the little brown bats and the big brown bats. These bats they feed on insects, so they do a lot of pest control, and they also are pollinators when they pass through trees and flowers. Unfortunately for the bats around here, they are actually dealing with a disease that is uncurable right now. This disease is known as white nose fungus. White nose fungus causes the bats to wake up in the middle of the night, go searching for food, and they actually eventually starve because they aren't able to find any prey. Like I said before, it is sad because we cannot find a cure, but one way you are able to help these bats is by building a bat house. This bat house or bat box will be placed outside in your yard, like up in a tree, and it will be a safe spot for a bat to come stay if they can't make it all the way back to their home, and they will actually eat some of the pests that live around your house outside. So it's a win-win for everyone. Now, if you guys have any questions, I will be here to answer them for a few more minutes, but I hope you all have a great day here at the Cincinnati Zoo.